Hi guys, Dom Goes here, and this is the RT AC87U dual band wireless gigabit router from Asus. Now this one here is the very first on the market that support the 4x4 standard of the 802.11 AC Wi-Fi. That means it has the top speed on the 5 GHz frequency band of up to 1734 megabit per second, and on the 2.4 frequency band up to 600 megabit per second. For that reason, it now belongs to a new class of router called AC2400. Now this one here is a very powerful router. It has two dual core processors running at 1 GHz and 500 MHz. It also has 128 MB of flash storage and 256 MB of system memory. Basically, it has the same power as a small server, and the outcome is great. In my testing, it's the very first Wi-Fi router on the market that actually has the sustained real-world Wi-Fi speed of more than 1000 megabit per second. Now obviously you need a 4x4 or at least 3x3 AC client as a close range for that kind of speed. But there's one thing about this new router here that all existing Wi-Fi clients, regardless of their standards, can enjoy: the range. It has the longest effective range I've ever seen in a Wi-Fi router to date, some 300 feet away. It comes with a very robust web interface that is both fun and easy to use. You can use its USB port to host all kinds of things like 4G, 3G dongles, or external hard drives. Now the router here has 1 gigabit WAN or Ethernet port and 4 gigabit LAN ports, but you can change any of these LAN ports into a second WAN port. A dual WAN feature is great when you want to use two Ethernet services at the same time, such as cable and DSL. And there's more. The router comes with two new features called Adaptive QoS and AI Protection. With Adaptive QoS, among other things, you have this great monitoring tool that shows all the Ethernet activities of each connected client in real time. It's a great way to spy on your loved ones. And the AI Protection feature, powered by Trend Micro, is designed to protect your entire home network against bad stuff from the internet. And if a client has already been infected, this feature will also stop it from sending personal information out to the world. Now, if you're wondering if there's something bad about this router, well, there are actually a few. First, the design. Now take a look here. This is a huge router and it has a lot of space on the back here, but it has only 4 LAN ports. I believe there's enough space to add a few more ports here. And speaking of ports, there is this USB 2.0 port. So where is the 3.0? Well, it's on the front. Why? I don't know. It's not like we don't have enough space on the back to begin with. And speaking of front, look at this fancy status light right here. They are facing down. And that means when you look at them from above, they are as good as being turned off. Now the second bad thing about this router here is the price. $270 in the US. That's very expensive. I'm not saying that it's not worth it. It totally is. But the high price means that for now, you might just want to enjoy it by watching this video over and over again. As for me, I do what I always do when I like something. I get 2 right away. That's only because I'm Dong Ngo, and this has been the first look at the RT AC87U router from Asus. Now don't forget to go to siat.com, check out the full review to find out more, and don't go getting all jealous on me. Okay?